Impacts of climate change in food production. Climate change poses significant risks to food production, impacting both the quantity and quality of food. Some of the major consequences include 1. Changing weather patterns, increased heat. Rising temperatures can lead to heat stress on crops, reducing yields, especially for heat-sensitive crops like wheat, maize, and rice. Prolonged heat waves can also increase the risk of crop failures and decrease productivity. Unpredictable rainfall. Climate change can cause altered rainfall patterns, leading to droughts in some regions and floods in others. These extremes disrupt planting and harvesting cycles, reduce water availability for irrigation, and damage crops. 2. Water scarcity. Changes in precipitation, glacial melting, and the depletion of groundwater sources reduce the availability of fresh water for irrigation. This can severely impact areas that rely on consistent water supplies for crop and livestock production, especially in regions that are already water-stressed. 3. More frequent and intense extreme weather events, storms and hurricanes. Intense storms, hurricanes, and cyclones can destroy infrastructure, like roads and storage facilities, damage crops, and disrupt supply chains. Flooding. Increased flooding due to heavy rainfall or rising sea levels can wash away crops, erode soil, and damage agricultural land. 4. Pests and diseases. Warmer temperatures and shifts in rainfall patterns can create favorable conditions for pests and diseases to thrive, affecting crops and livestock. For example, certain insect pests that damage crops may expand their range to new regions as temperatures rise, and fungal infections may become more prevalent. 5. Soil degradation. Increased temperatures and erratic rainfall can lead to soil erosion, loss of soil fertility, and desertification. These changes can make it harder to grow crops, especially in areas that are already vulnerable to poor soil quality. 6. Shifts in growing seasons. Climate change can alter the length and timing of growing seasons. Some areas may experience longer growing seasons, while others may see shorter seasons, which can affect crop types and productivity. In some cases, this could lead to shifts in which regions are suitable for certain crops. 7. Impact on livestock. Heat stress. Livestock are also vulnerable to heat stress, which can reduce reproduction rates, growth, and overall productivity, e.g., milk yield in dairy cows. Feed availability. Changing weather patterns can affect the availability of feed crops for livestock, leading to higher costs or reduced supplies. 8. Declining fisheries. Climate change affects ocean temperatures, acidification, and fish migration patterns, which can lead to declines in fish stocks. This affects not only the fish supply but also the livelihoods of people dependent on fisheries for food and income. 9. Reduced nutrient quality. Elevated CO2 levels can also affect the nutrient content of crops, potentially leading to a reduction in the nutritional quality of staple foods like wheat, rice, and maize. This can have implications for global health, particularly for populations that rely on these foods for their primary source of nutrition. 10. Global food insecurity, with crop failures, reduced yields, and shifts in production areas. Climate change can exacerbate food insecurity, particularly in poorer regions. This could lead to increased hunger, malnutrition, and displacement of populations due to failed crops and livelihoods. 11. Disruption of supply chains. Climate change can disrupt global supply chains through damaged infrastructure, e.g., roads, ports, and reduced availability of products, leading to price volatility, especially for imports or exports of essential foods. These consequences of climate change highlight the interconnectedness of environmental, economic, and social systems. To mitigate these impacts, adaptive strategies such as developing climate-resilient crops, improving water management, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions are essential for securing future food production.